Now you can see my people, how are you, my people? Please subscribe my channel. This is SC. Now you can see all this wire. Yeah, today we have connecting this one. Yeah, you can see now this one, all cables, this one SC. Now you can see too much sun outside, but we try our best. This is SC, you can see SC. Oh, this one SC. Yeah, connecting, you can see cables. Let me explain this one. You see, too much sun outside. If you don't put this white, this cable can get damaged, can be damaged. You understand? Now all this one connecting. Now you can see from there down. Yeah, this white is good. Yeah, this SC, there are 4. Yeah, there are 4. This one there are 2. This one double SC, this one single, but total making 4 of them. You understand? Yeah, this one cable. After we put this one, we're going to fix their meter box. Meter box is here. Let me show you.